Ever wondered how to navigate life on a tight budget without losing your sanity? Imagine being able to thrive, not just survive, even when your income is stretched thinner than a yoga instructor's patience. Well, that's precisely what I'm here to unravel for you. With a sprinkle of personal anecdotes and a dollop of practical wisdom, let's embark on a journey through the labyrinth of low-income living. So fasten your seatbelts, because we're about to discover 5 game-changing tips that will turn your financial frown upside down. Let's get started. Number 1. Establish an emergency fund. Imagine facing unexpected expenses without a safety net. That's where the emergency fund steps in as your financial superhero. An emergency fund is crucial, especially on a low income, to shield you from life's inevitable surprises like car repairs, medical bills, or sudden job loss. Start by setting a goal of saving 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. While this might seem daunting, breaking it down into smaller, manageable chunks makes it achievable. Begin by setting aside a small portion of your income each month. Even $20 a week can grow into a substantial safety net over time. To jumpstart your fund, consider redirecting any unexpected windfalls, like tax refunds or bonuses, directly into your savings. Additionally, look for ways to trim your budget. Cutting back on non-essential expenses, such as dining out or subscription services, can free up extra cash for your emergency fund. Remember, the key is consistency and discipline. By steadily contributing to your emergency fund, you'll build a financial cushion that provides peace of mind. No more scrambling for solutions when life's hiccups occur. Your emergency fund will have your back, ensuring stability even in tough times. Number 2. Financial windfalls. Handle them like a pro. Picture this: a bonus at work, a tax refund, or even an unexpected gift. Financial windfalls are exciting, but handling them wisely can make a lasting impact on your financial stability. When extra money comes your way, it's tempting to splurge, but smart strategies can turn these windfalls into powerful financial tools. First, resist the urge to spend impulsively. Instead, take a step back and evaluate your financial priorities. Start by allocating a portion of your windfall to your emergency fund. Building a robust safety net is crucial, especially on a tight budget, to cover unexpected expenses without resorting to debt. Next, consider using part of your windfall to pay down high-interest debt. Reducing your debt load can save you significant money in interest payments over time, freeing up more of your income for other priorities. Another smart move is investing in your future. Whether it's contributing to a retirement account, setting aside money for education, or investing in stocks, using windfalls for long-term goals can help secure your financial future. Lastly, it's okay to enjoy a small portion of your windfall. Allocating a bit for personal enjoyment can satisfy the urge to spend while keeping the majority working towards your financial goals. By handling windfalls like a pro, you'll make the most of these opportunities, paving the way for greater financial security and peace of mind. Number 3. Keep housing and car costs in check. When it comes to managing a low income, keeping your housing and car expenses in check can be a game changer. These two areas often consume a significant portion of your budget, but smart decisions here can free up money for other needs and reduce financial stress. Firstly, aim to keep your housing costs at or below 30% of your monthly income. This might mean opting for a smaller home or apartment, choosing a less expensive neighborhood, or even considering shared living arrangements. The goal is to find a balance between comfort and affordability. Similarly, car expenses can be a budget killer if not managed wisely. Instead of splurging on a new high-end vehicle, consider buying a reliable used car. Not only will this save you on the purchase price, but it also reduces insurance and depreciation costs. If possible, aim to buy a car outright to avoid monthly payments altogether. By keeping both housing and car expenses low, you create more financial breathing room. This allows you to allocate funds to other essential areas like savings, debt repayment, and daily living expenses. In turn, this approach minimizes financial stress and enhances your overall quality of life. Number 4. Bargain hunt like a pro. Maximizing your budget on a low income requires a savvy approach to monthly expenses. One of the most effective strategies is to become a pro at bargain hunting, particularly for major monthly bills. By dedicating a little time to comparison shopping and negotiating, you can significantly reduce your costs. Start with your essential services like car insurance, internet, and phone plans. Many people overlook these expenses, but a quick comparison of rates from different providers can reveal substantial savings. For instance, contacting multiple car insurance companies and asking for quotes can lead to a better deal. Similarly, reviewing and negotiating your internet and phone plans annually can often result in discounts or better packages. Don't forget about utilities. Some utility companies offer budget billing or discount programs based on income, so it's worth inquiring about these options. Additionally, consider switching to energy-efficient appliances and light bulbs to lower your monthly utility bills. Remember, the goal is to reduce these recurring costs, freeing up more of your budget for savings or other necessary expenses. By honing your bargain hunting skills, you can stretch your dollars further, making your low-income lifestyle more manageable and less stressful. Number 5, say no to credit card debt. Navigating life on a low income becomes significantly harder when you're burdened with credit card debt. High interest rates can quickly turn manageable purchases into financial nightmares, draining your resources and adding unnecessary stress. That's why it's crucial to say no to credit card debt. Firstly, prioritize living within your means. This means using cash or debit cards for purchases to avoid the temptation of overspending. If you must use a credit card, ensure you can pay off the balance in full each month to avoid interest charges. If you already have credit card debt, focus on paying it down aggressively. Start by tackling the card with the highest interest rate while maintaining minimum payments on others. Once the highest interest debt is cleared, move to the next one. This strategy, known as the avalanche method, minimizes the amount of interest you pay. Additionally, avoid using credit cards for non-essential purchases. Instead, save up for big-ticket items and emergencies. Building an emergency fund, as discussed earlier, can help you avoid relying on credit cards in times of need. By steering clear of credit card debt, you can maintain financial stability and reduce the stress associated with high-interest payments, paving the way for a healthier financial future. In the whirlwind of life's challenges, mastering the art of thriving on a low income is akin to unlocking a hidden treasure chest of financial freedom. Armed with the knowledge gleaned from these 5 tips, you're poised to navigate the twists and turns of budgeting with confidence and poise. Remember, the path to prosperity may be fraught with obstacles, but with perseverance and determination, success is within reach. Thanks for watching. If you found this journey valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Until next time, stay savvy, stay empowered, and here's to a future filled with financial abundance.